Millin here from teslataxi.com.au. We're just charging up here on our way down to dropping this car off to an Uber rental in Melbourne. So I'll just plug this one in today and show you how to update your software if you happen to be renting one of these cars for Uber driving. So as you can see on the screen here, when you've got the little arrow, it means there's a software update waiting for you. Right at the moment we'll need to connect to the wireless. So we'll open up our phone to hotspot and we'll click this little icon here and we'll click the wireless and we'll select my iPhone that's on hotspot. And if this one connects, we will see the software start to download. So if you are renting one of these cars, it's connected now. If you are renting one of these cars for Uber and you're in an apartment, obviously you'll need to do this if you can't get to your wireless where you're parked at night. So that's the progress there on the software update. And we can also open up the app and see that there's a software update waiting for the car. So when we open up the app, if we navigate to the car we're currently in, this one here, you can see on the screen there's a software update downloading in the app. It also shows you, of course, the charging speed and what have you inside the app itself. And of course you can see your odometer in the app. And if you want to check which version of software you're on now, you can check the release notes here in the app of what's currently installed on the car. And then in the software update, you can click the release notes there to see the version of software that you're downloading in the car. And so that's the new version there, and that's the extra features that it's going to give you. teslataxi.com.au if you'd like to rent one of these vehicles. If you wanted to look at the charge speed, it's on the screen here, so it's currently at about 900 k's per hour as the charging speed at 41%. And of course, if you want to toggle that to the amount of kilometres, on the navigation it'll show us here how long we need to charge at this particular station before we move on to the next station. teslataxi.com.au if you'd like to rent a Tesla for personal use or long-term for Uber. We can rent Teslas for Uber, anything from 8 weeks and above. teslataxi.com.au if you'd like to rent one of these vehicles in Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne or Canberra. Thank you.